Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. And today I'll be showing you how I made this Tarbooz ke Chilke ki sabzi. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now let's get started with the recipe. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of saunf. Let them splatter and also add a pinch of hing. Then add 2 finely chopped onions, 3 to 4 garlic pods and a green chili and give it all a nice mix. Then add half cup of soaked moong dal to the pan. You can soak this moong dal in plain water for about 1 to 2 hours and give it a nice mix again. Then chop out this white portion from the watermelon's chilka or the cover and add it to the pan. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add salt according to your taste. Add about half to 1 cup of water to the pan, give it a mix and cover it with a lid for some time on medium flame. You have to keep this covered and cook it till all of the Tarbooz pieces turn to transparent color. So as you can see, some of them are still white, so we're gonna cook it till it turns transparent. Then add a teaspoon of Maggi magic masala to the pan and mix it well. And your Tarbooz ke Chilke ki sabzi is ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with any bread of your choice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can connect with me on my social media handles. The link for my social media handles is given below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.